Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing in with an admin account so you can change encoder settings. Once logged in, connect a monitor and confirm live view so you're changing the correct channel. Open the DVR menu and go to System or Recorder Settings and then Video or Encode. You'll see current resolution values for each channel. Take note. Now select the channel you want to modify so you can edit resolution, frame rate, and bitrate without affecting others. Once you've selected a channel, choose the desired resolution such as 720p, 1080p, 4MP, or 4K if supported. Make sure to adjust frame rate and bitrate together. Higher frame rate needs more bandwidth, so reduce bitrate if storage is limited. Pick H. 265 when available to save space. Use H. 264 for compatibility. If you rely on remote viewing, enable a substream at lower resolution for mobile apps. Confirm settings per channel to avoid unintentional global changes. After applying your changes, save and accept prompts. Reboot the DVR if it requests a restart to properly load new encoder parameters. Record a short clip and immediately play it back locally and via remote app to verify resolution and frame rate are correct. Make sure recordings are stored where expected and available for playback. If playback fails or image is distorted, check for codec mismatch, insufficient disk space, or incompatible remote client.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.